All right, hello. I'm just going to toss some music on here first and then share the link out a little bit. Okay, what kind of stuff do we have? Play Valorant music, I think. Okay. Let's see. All right. I wish it let me change out some of the fade tracks in and out. Oh, can it just go between them? Okay, we'll see. It'd be very cool if I could make a playlist of just all the Valorant songs. All right, so hello everybody. My camera's good. So what I'm kind of hoping for this to be is just a little bit of I call it a work session. And I like the idea of being able to work on stuff in the Rust game development working group ecosystem. And this is more just newsletter or prepping different stuff here and there, and then be able to stream it as well. And the reason for this, I was talking to some people a while back about how the transparency of... Sorry, just 1 sec. Let me check my computer here. See. Oh no, I think my computer's gonna freeze up. Page top. Oh yeah, we're not doing the best. Okay, let's kill that. Hello. Okay. 1 second. I don't know what probably came through last, but okay. Okay, everything else is dead. Okay, that's fine. Let's bring this back. This. Okay. I want to go check out what happened on YouTube there. There's this process that I'm too lazy to debug on Arch Linux where it just takes up all of my memory, and so I just have to go kill the process in HTOP every once in a while when it starts slowing down. And then I thought the process with the most memory would be that one, but I think it was Firefox, and so it just killed everything. Okay, the process is literally running again, and it's starting to count up memory. Okay, whatever. I'll just keep an eye on it. Okay, let me share my screen again, and we'll give this another go. Which window are we? Okay. All right, but first I want to see what actually happened on the stream there. Oh, it just froze? Okay. Okay, that's better than alternatives. Okay, cool. On my end, everything would have died, and so... is the music not playing? I guess it's just doing one song. Okay, whatever. We're just going to loop. Let's do another Valorant song. That's the exact same song. How about this one? Okay. Anyways, here's the game plan. When it comes to newsletters, when it comes to stuff that we work on, sometimes we work on it very internally. So Oz, Criff, myself, previously 17 Cups of Coffee, we'd be working on the newsletter, going through doing the process, everything like that. but it's not very visible to people who want to help out necessarily. And so, for example, like the way that I got started was I would read through this and I'd be like, oh, cool, I could like write some stuff about some of the articles, and I'd go through and just kind of take try writing stuff, making pull requests and stuff like that. But since I've become one of the other editors, I feel like I haven't done as well trying to like get other people on board as well. Okay, so let me just open up the HackMD, and what we can do first is go through some of the updates on who has edited what. Okay, this is the March newsletter. Okay, so first of all, what I think we'll do, and also because I actually want to spend time on this today, and I feel like if I wasn't streaming in front of people, then there's like a higher likelihood of me just putting it off until tomorrow, and then tomorrow putting it off until tomorrow, and so on and so forth. So I want to see how much I can get done right now. Okay, so anyways, essentially for context, Gamedev.rs, we're writing this month's newsletter, or March's newsletter. And so we go through, we have different sections, people contribute different things to each section. And if we take a look here, we have quite a lot of stuff in each different category. And also, so for example, like there are ones where it's like Magnet is free, and that's probably because when I was looking through this stuff, I couldn't find this person's GitHub username to tag them. And so then we have a lot of different stuff by a lot of different people. Oh, I think Ozgrif might have helped out and changed a whole bunch of stuff to work in progress. Okay, bless, because I was about to do all that. Let's just check if this version's updated. Okay, looks like there's a lot of work in progress, and so that's good. All right, so we don't need to do that part. But what we are going to do, we have 27 open pull requests, and I want to try and work through as many of them as possible to get them integrated. So what I try to normally do is start with like the back one first, just because then it means that the person who made this pull request is like the first person in that category, so it can go like closer to the top of the category. So for example, like under game updates, Cootsmania would have hopefully put theirs in first, and so that's how we try to do it. It's a bit difficult to see who's near the top. Okay, so this one's about the Bevy text mode. So most of the time when we go in and take a look, so the first thing I do is like check out the size of the image, because we try to keep it a little bit smaller. And we have like a limit of like I think 2.5 megabytes for GIFs, and then 700 or something kilobytes for photos. So 2 kilobytes is I thought it was gonna be like 2 megabytes at first, but 2 kilobytes is very nice. We do love very low res images. Okay. So just taking a look at this. Okay, that looks good. And also one interesting thing about when I'm editing, most of the time I'll just look through this and I won't even check if it actually works in Zola, is like our static site generator. Well, I guess CI will make sure that it at least it will run like generate the website, but I don't see if like all the images line up. I leave that for like the review at the end, so I mostly just like look through and see. Okay, so we're referencing stuff at the bottom. Okay, cool. Bevy plugin, which makes it possible to set the background and foreground color of a texture atlas sprite. Built-in Bevy sprites only have a tint property. This plugin is convenient when using 1-bit tiles such as cool. Information about the release. All right, discussion looks good. So looks good to me. LGTM rock. Okay. And that looks good. So, and also I just need to check, is it it's under library updates. Looks good. Didn't edit anything else. So we shall squash and emerge. All right. Next up, we have the Grimsy, who is doing a section on Add Spell Editor series. Open and read section here. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. So one thing I hope this also encourages is people writing about just stuff they're working on. It doesn't have to be like a big release or anything. It can just be like small progress updates. Like that, I tried doing this thing this month. This worked out well. Here's a screenshot that I took this month. Anything like that. because I love reading through and just like seeing all of the cool stuff going on in the ecosystem. And I think this is a great way to show off like that there is a lot happening. There's like a really solid heartbeat. So yeah, it's great seeing when people write stuff. Okay, 1.51 megabytes for the image. If I just go back to the issue we're working on, I always forget the exact numbers. Okay, so yeah, okay, so 2.5 megabytes for GIFs, and 300 kilobytes for images. Okay, so looks good. I'm just gonna change this out to without a period. We got a GIF. We got. Okay, so one thing in this one is that we do like having links at the bottom, and so I'm just gonna do it here so that I don't have to do it somewhere else. So do. And I'm not, I forget if this is actually right. This is the right formatting. Let me just reference the other one that we just did. Like a square. Yep, perfect. Cool. Oh, interesting. I don't, with this, it either works or it doesn't. We'll see. I'm a big fan of this Chill Valorant song. Definitely better than the defaults we get from Street Me Nerd. Alright. Yo, where are my Vim macros? I'm not actually, because I don't actually know Vim. I'm also assuming text size is relatively okay, but it may not be. Okay, so now I can move the links from up here. I think that's good. Okay. Under learning materials, so let's just go back over here. I am curious. Oh no, it's just reading this back then. So we have posted dates. Okay, so as long as Zola passes. A few small fixes, but otherwise looks good. With the, I want to check with the. I didn't actually look at the what's happening in the GIF yet. Oh, cool. So I guess it's like a way to do calculations on spells for spell editor. Oh, cool. All right, what does Zola think? Oh, line length. Okay. Time for code spaces. All right. Well, I shouldn't leave that open. Okay, so let's go into the next one whilst we look at that. So 8-bit dual, Cybergate. Ooh, we got a lot of stuff here. It's pretty cool. Okay. Sounds good. All right. Like ownership indicators, movement, and ooh. Oh, okay. I was gonna say Oxford comma right here, but no. This is good. This is good. Games on development. The Discord. I'm gonna change this out because if someone else uses the tag Discord, then it's sometimes ambiguous. I normally don't change when it's like if someone uses Bevy Engine as like the link between the two. I leave that because everybody should be linking the same Bevy Engine, but here do 8-bit Discord. And also we just want to make it there instead. Cool. Other than that, good to me. So Zool is going to run on that. Let's go take a look at code spaces over here. Okay, so it doesn't like the line length here. So there's a window. Hello, plugins. I guess it's still setting that up. So while that's getting CI passed, check out this one. So this is for Cybergate. So, okay. It was a good size. Very cool. I like that. I saw this on Reddit this month. It's very cool to see it going on. Okay. If we got links, looks okay. Cybergate, an ambitious multiplayer project in development by CyberSoul. That's CyberSoul. I don't know if I want to link the. Okay, if they didn't put in there, then I'll leave it like that. Aims to invite players into a constantly evolving universe, harnessing the power of procedural generation and artificial intelligence. This work in progress aspires to provide an engaging experience that emphasizes exploration and discovery across system progress. Worlds, the latest updates to Cybergate includes skybox animation. Cool, looks good. Released the 7th major update. Now working on universe generation algorithms for the 8th. I want to say 8th update because it's a little bit less ambiguous. It's not terribly ambiguous, though. Yeah, whatever. Okay, looks good. 100. Thank you. Okay. Why did Zola fail? I probably made a line too long again. So it would be nice if I could. Well, I guess I need the extension, so it's not gonna. Whatever code space it is. All right, let's take a look at the first one. Rewrap. Rewrap. Good. Oh, shit, one's below. Just see this up here. Doopy-doopy-doo. Lines. You don't have permission. I have all the permission I need. Okay. Starts. Oh, there's a cat at my window. That cat comes by from time to time. Very cute. Wish it would stay for longer, but it does not. Okay. All right. So that CI is going to run and hopefully pass, and I can kill this code space. Code space. I can delete it from here, so I can delete it later. Okay. Goodbye. This. Okay. Well, I guess it still may or may not let me push. Okay, I'm just going to do this in another window. It's going to be so much easier than me opening code space each time. I'm just going to do it inside of VS Code, but it should be quick enough that I'm mainly on screen for the most of it. All right, so let's wrap. Okay. And will let me push. This had on the same name of the remote. Does that let me do it? Nope. Okay, well, we do the same thing. After this, we go here. And from here to here. Oopsie. There. That should go. Spell editor passes now. To squash merge. Okay, so that's going to go through. Cybergate was good, but what section is it under? If it's not under the same one as 8-bit tools, and I can put both at the same time. Okay, game updates and 8-bit tools is also game updates, so we'll wait on order for them to go through. Okay, baby GPU. Some discussion here. Nice. 4.25 megabyte GIF not allowed. All right, so what do I want to do to make it smaller? I can just check this out and do it locally. Well, but then I'll come back some later. The size of the gift at 2.5 MB. I'll check back in it. Do itself. So 8-bit rules is good to go. Cybergate will require that getting CI passing first. Okay. Zombie demo game. Yeah. So. Oh, and also Cybergate is going to require a resolution of marriage conflicts. Incoming. Oh, heck. Current. Yeah. Tools. So we got go. Salt. Okay, so zombie demo game. Looks good. Third-person shooter. Got the links. Okay. It features an astonishing 10 minutes of gameplay. For a demo game, that's actually impressive, I'll be honest. Most of the game jams I do have like 5 minutes. A built-in level editor and zombies. It was produced in order to practice shipping a game and using a custom engine using WGB hacks. A lot of other great. What does this Lucian work on? I feel like I was following him already, of course. For some reason, I thought he did some more. Okay. Both Windows and Linux. Cool. And we got the image. Is it okay size? That's impressive. Dang. I think I saw an image of that already, but yeah, like if you can mock up a game that looks like, of course, like if you were to use a game engine, this is like some pretty standard stuff, but to do it in a custom engine that makes use of, well, I guess, yeah, you're just building on top of WGPU, so well done. Awesome. Fireworks. Cybergate should be good to go. Let's get that in. And now we're gonna have to resolve. What can't I resolve? Don't tell me I can't do that. I don't want to do it. Okay. So let us grab this, and then current changes, and then scroll down past Cybergate. There. I really like just continuing listening to this song because it doesn't feel like it's repeated, but it's also just because I'm not paying attention very much. But let's see what else we have. Yeah, this is like a classic. This is like very much but I'm looking for a bit more ambient. Oh yeah, this is like okay. You just go into a village, I think. I don't know where this one. I think it's. Okay. All right, this one works for now. Okay, so So that is CI testing hotline. And the other thing I'm supposed to do is like go through and add all these sections to like what's been done so far. I'll do it after. Okay. Hotline. Okay, the JPEG is a bit large. I'll probably make this smaller. Okay, so modern high performance hot reload graphics engine and Rust. Okay, I don't think I've heard this one yet, to be honest. Where did I see this? It must have been on Reddit sometime this month. I do remember seeing something about it. Things provide low-level access to modern graphics API features while at the same time providing high-level optimizations. Okay. Ooh, it uses Bevy's ECS. Oh, cool. Okay, so just throw that in and make sure you don't need to worry about it. Direct 3D 12 is being supported. Platform guys to account for future ports to bulk and metal. The product is in its early stages, but has a decent amount of features showcasing different render strategies, async command generation, plugin based architecture, and hot reloading support for Rust code, HLS operators, and render content. Of course, integrated with locking. I'm curious if I think InGUI is like the C++ one. It's for eGUI. Video decoding and complex image loading, key maps, arrays, volumes, and more. I think. Holy Monster has been latching Vermont's books with archives. With archives that are working. Recently, they have been designing a bindless material. Okay, well, that looks good. Once. But yeah, I guess I wanted to do image size. There is this one tool that like just like compresses images and stuff. Maybe I'll just look into that. Or there's like a GitHub action to do it. Or the last. I feel like there's been. I wrote this. I guess. Oh, this is probably just saying people can. Oh yeah, like be up at the top of this. I guess I don't have the issue, but I feel like I was talking about like image compression or something. Yeah. All right, so that is merged. Back over to the conversation here. Roll is failing, most likely because that line length is just a little bit long. Rewrap. Let's see if I can quickly change the image that was used here. I right click, resize JPEG. So one Rust product I've wanted to make is, okay, there's like all these sites that are good for like, okay, you can resize an image. Okay, so this has a few different ones. You can compress image, resize image, crop image, and so on and so forth. But it'd be so cool to have an Omni tool that does any type of, so it can do images, like just resizing, compression, all that kind of stuff. It can encode video, like change video formats, change audio formats, all of that, and it's all just in like one place. That'd be very low hanging fruit, I think. Percentage 25% smaller. because like, so for this one, for example, you have to go and upload your file to their server so that they can run their code on it to in I don't know, like resize, do whatever. But you can ship that to the browser. Like I think you can definitely do that all in the browser, just operating on the data, and then it's your computer that, like, you don't have to worry about upload speeds. You don't have to worry about sending your files off to somewhere else. And so, yeah, I feel like it's very possible. Okay, let's see. Rewrap image size. Maybe push. Did it work? Also, I normally do this. Like whenever I run into like pushing a thing, then I'll just like try a few different options and normally works. So got it in there. So Phil can take a look at it. All right, so Rust GPU SDF. Oh, okay. So I guess there's like two separate ones for. Cool. A no STD scientist build library designed for crossbow CPU and GPU. Okay. Libraries are okay. Sorry, I'm gonna have to rewrap this one thing. Angles enumerate the distance field domains, close extent by using most types of applications such as collision detection, rendering, mesh generation, and volume modeling. And contrary to its working title, is Rust agnostic or can be used anywhere Rust. So, yeah, so it goes through the description of stuff. Looks good. Yeah, this one's pretty in depth. Is it? What are our rules on 1,000 characters? I'm curious if it's going to be a time. Maybe a tiny bit too long. And code. Wait, is that? Oh yeah, okay. Characters. Okay, let's just. Oh, I guess I need to zoom. Okay, so serve. I just want to look at the size that it actually renders inside of. Let's see. Draft. So I can go back. Okay. Oh my gosh, that is cool. Wow. Okay, so it's 2100. So let us go here. Is a bit is too long. I think in at 2,000 characters on the rendered version. Let's go take a screenshot of that. Now, I'm not convinced that we should necessarily not allow that. Like, I think there's some good content in here. I think that it is pretty condensed, though, and it is neat to read. What are your thoughts, Griff? I'm thinking of leaving it as is, or just decreasing it to characters, or just getting it to be decreased So we shall leave that for now. I'm gonna rewrap it for now, though, just so. Needed. Okay, so simply. Oh yeah, that was a mistake. Just changing some stuff out in VS Code quickly. Oh goodness. Oh, whatever. Ugh. So whenever I committed something, I'm curious. Okay, wait, Hotline. I did the rewrapping for it. Did it? Oh yeah. Okay, I literally had it. Ugh. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna merge that and it'll be fine. These changes. So, outline into LGTM. Okay, so let us take another look at it. In here. I think the regular one not outline is good. That about simulator. Let's grab a few of these. Oh. Small info. Ooh. Yeah, this one looks nice. Good UI. 15 chambers. Okay, that's good. Shift. Looks good. Oh, that's cool. So yeah, the goal is to defeat enemies by forcing them into hazardous positions since they cannot be attacked directly. Oh, that's cool. It reminds me a bit of the aesthetic of, I forget the name of the game, into the something, the one by the people who made FTL. Into the FTL. Into the fold. Okay, the game is an early prototype proof of concept phase. Is written with the help of the Bevy engine. Is currently only a WASM build. Cool. That's awesome though. I like. I love shipping So first of all, being able to put stuff on itch is awesome, but also just being able to host stuff on GitHub pages, super helpful for like just being able to get people to test. It is public on GitHub pages, but still very accessible. Awesome. Thanks for the first PR. Excited to see how this project comes along. Smile. Okay. Merge conflict time. Scroll down, engine of this, toss that in there, resolve. Easy peasy. Okay, so yeah, we'll run on that. Okay. A bit too large. So I'll grab that locally. A size JPEG online. Where did I put my folders? Oh. Okay. So. I guess I changed some things. Okay. Get reset dash card. Get clean dash FD. Well, I don't need to do. Yeah. Okay, so let's go and check out this purpose again. Hello. Let's drop. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's a big one. I can go by like 75%, I think. It should be. Well, actually, 500 should be fine. Okay, so that should have thrown that into my directory. Let's. Okay. All right, next to Florence, let's see. This next song is called Life of a Background Mob. Okay, pretty chill so far. BattleBot theme robot war simulator using Bevy. Game is planned to have multiple combat arenas. Each player can compete or select a combat. To be able to score by damage robots or by knocking opponents or knocking out opponents off the arena. Knocking out opponents. Out. I think it makes more sense. Opponents out of is this or by knocking Brains, everyone's plan as follows. So we got some different classes. Okay. So that looks good to me. So resized image. Okay. Back. Push. Cool. So I'm gonna leave that for now because waiting on a response. Tiger is a visual tool to author game spreadsheets and metadata. Version 1.0 came out. Okay, so we need to put links here. Image size is fine. GitHub. HIO. Tiger HIO. Easy. And I don't think we need that because we have links at the top. Cool. Okay. Okay, so this is a tool. I don't think we have any tools yet, so that should be fine. CI ran on this one. That is good to go. Okay, jumpy. Cool. Looks like we're going to click a look. Looks good to me. Okay, so that is good. Awesome. Rocket. And to move it up or down, I suppose. So that should be good. I fixed that one. Oh, well, no, Tiger's tool, so it's fine. Okay, so Oh, Tennis on Steam? Wait, just 1 second. So I knew they had, like, when I was checking it out, I knew they had, like, some demo or something. Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh. I love this aesthetic so much. Wow. Okay. When I first saw it, I thought it was you, like, move around and do some stuff, but... It did say, okay, so you're optimizing a computer network, but I did not know the stuff about like that it was like you connect quite a lot. And I think I saw, okay, I saw maybe this image. Wow, okay, what's it made with? This is pretty impressive. Okay. There's a short puzzle explanation game where you need to build a computer network in an underground complex. So tenant post. Okay, so made in Bevy. One of the things, like, should I have more time, is I'd love to do like small streams where I just like interview. So instead of it being in the meetup, it's just an interview about a project with someone. So sort of like a podcast, but on a very specific topic, and it doesn't need to go super in depth. And maybe it's 5 minutes, maybe it's 20 minutes, maybe it's an hour. But like, for example, with this type of thing, like, I'll go read the post later. I don't think I've read it yet. And I'll find out a little bit about it, but it's not like as much of a deep dive as if I can just sit down and ask questions. And so that would be very cool to do sometime. I'm a big fan of what I'm seeing here so far. Okay, so image size is a bit large, so let us get ready to get another image. Oh yeah, okay, so it's quite large. Let's go 75% smaller. We'll download it. We'll move it over. All over the previous one. Okay. Jumpy looks good. Looks good, looks good, looks good. Oh. Get push. It's happy, yay. Okay, so it's gonna have conflicts, which I can resolve now. Jumpy's done. Now let's look at Matchbox. What was Matchbox again? I remember taking a bit of a look at it. Is a library for easily establishing unreliable, unordered peer-to-peer web. Yes. Using Rust, Wasm, and Native. So I'm just gonna turn my heat on again. Oh, it is already on. Oh, okay. All right. 0.6, support for adding channels and curve. That's good. Discussions. Okay, so discussion links. I'm not as worried about. I suppose I moved some of the other ones below, but that should be fine. Right, image was good. Awesome. Johan Helsing. I feel like, okay, Matchbox, Bevy. Okay, so a lot of Bevy stuff. Very cool. Okay, so tenant. Awesome to see. Ta-da. Matchbox is a library, so it should be fine. resolve this one. Let's refresh and resolve. I got some conflicts. Aldo. Hello. Oh. Oops, I see. Which? Oh no, wait. The library updates. Okay. Okay, so waiting on that. Finish up cargo space. Ooh. Oh. It's a co-op 2D case-based game. Yeah, we had actually, I don't know if we have Steam. Well, no, okay, because we don't have Valorant on Steam, but we were doing like Valorant on like Discord statuses, and I feel like it's Embark that has a crate that allows you to use it as like the middle grounds between you and Steam, and all that it has to do is have a license that Steam accepts, because Valorant uses GPL3 and Steam, or sorry, not Steam, but Discord doesn't allow products that are GPL3 to. Well, I forget the exact restrictions, but anyways, not that it's like medium related to this, but anyways, you fly a spaceship. Okay, that's pretty cool. This month's development was all about lobbies, chat, and during Steam. I spawned a couple new microcrates. Oh, baby Crossbeam event. Okay, Crossbeam. Okay, cool. Steam Dev Launcher is a cross-platform binary crate all about dev-friendly ways to launch your game through Steam. That is without losing logs. Oh, interesting. Okay, so if you want to, okay. So I guess like the way that Steam launches stuff, maybe it doesn't expose stuff to people so nicely. Okay, those look good, but I feel like this first line's too long. Good stuff. Smile. Oh, okay, I guess it's fine with that line. So let us go grab the code lines, toss it in there. Doopy-doopy-doo. Writing next assembly programs in Rust DSL. Oh, it's a talk. Very cool. If I stretch my window, okay. That's too far. What's the perfect size so that borders? Okay, there we go. That's pretty good. Okay. PNG is a bit too large, so let us go grab this. Shoot. PR. PNG to JPEG. Yeah, see, like now I'm on a different site, and so back to my comment earlier, it'd be so nice if it was okay, one site, I upload the file, and it's like, okay, we know what kind of file this is. Here are all the things that you can do with it. Easy peasy. So nice. Okay, now if I download it, okay, it's a good size. But if it wasn't a good size, then I'd have to like, next step, okay, now we have to go and resize it. And so it's like, okay, pipeline of easy ways to make stuff nice and ergonomic when changing over. JPG. Okay. Size image. Get push. Cool. I guess I'm too for that. Looks good. Rocket. Matchbox is good. I'm just gonna go back because I forget if Matchbox and okay, no, this is learning update, so I just get to resolve before Matchbox. Thinks it's good. Boat journey needs something to it apparently. Let's see here. Okay, I'm gonna throw us back to. Okay, let's try this. Okay. I did resolve that, I believe. So let's toss that over there. Okay, so image size good. Okay, so what is this? This is Boat Journey. Is a turn-based game where you drive a boat through a procedurally generated landscape on a voyage along a river destined for the ocean. Accept passengers to have them help you on your journey, fight monsters, collect junk, trade junk for fuel, use fuel to travel to the ocean. Wow. Okay, this is pretty cool. Oh, cool. You played in a terminal. Oh, it's the 7-day roguelike. Oh, that's cool. Oh. Do you have a... Oh, this is cool. Wow. A little bit choppy in some places. I'm curious on what it's doing well. Oh my gosh. What a cool way to do stories. Nice graphics, holy. E, standing on this. Yo, this is awesome, holy. How much fuel do I have? Oh, so each move does cost a certain amount. Okay, so I can hold it down. So I guess I'm in my lake, and so I'm basically throwing right now. Oh, I love the fog of war. Like, once you see something, then it's still there, but the blue is just what you can see. Yeah, this is 100% game over. I've just wasted so much fuel trying to... I wonder how much you have to, like, micro-optimize. What if I run into the island? Oh, there's bad people. Ah! The beast! Okay, can I attack it back? Alas, I have died. Dang, this is cool. Okay. Okay, here we go. Very neat game. It would be awesome to have you show it off at the next Gamedev meetup. Smile. Easy plug, easy content for the next meetup. Okay, so what are we failing on? Okay, did I? Oh, I didn't even push this yet. Writing. Oh yeah, I need to. Gonna stage this range. Oh, I did push, but change image name. Okay. What? Oh, wait, I didn't merge it though. Merge branch source. Oh, because I did the rebase. Okay, cool. It's dash get it's added get push. Did I not make a commit? image name. Okay, cool. So see how it run through that. Get reset hard. In the meantime, let's go take a look at this one. And oh yeah, length of line is too long. Classic. Rewrap. Okay, while I'm at this, I'm gonna speed run making next month's April, May, copy, paste, May. So we want May 13th at UTC 4 p.m. CC anchor debug. Okay. What was this one? Resize image, change image name. Looks good. So let's get that in. Okay. I did the rewrap for it, so now we just need to update where it is. Stream today, smiley. I'll make sure to reach out to y'all next month, but I did create number 6 already. If you'd like to sign up. May's meetup issue. Does that look good? Okay, cool. That's gone. That is gone. Okay. Why is Zola annoyed? What did I not do? Oh, this line is too long. Gosh darn it. Rewrap. underline. Okay, so yeah, get pull, get snatch, get pull, get push. All right. Cool. So while we're waiting for that, let's go take a look at who I need to do next. Okay. My mind blanked there for a second. Image size is good. Ooh, cool. Cool. I'm not sure if I want to leave the bullet point like that. I don't think it's too bad. Okay. See gameplay video. Where is this referencing? Video game. Video. Video. Okay. Do engine. I was hoping you could just control F for where it is. Engine updates. Right there. Okay, how many? 15 more. Okay. Maybe just a bit too far, so we might need to take a look at that. PNG too big. How are we? Okay, good. Good size. And we need to go down here, find where the image is, change it to JPG. Published a video about using the depth of path texture, maybe 0.10. Cool. Okay. Visual extinction. good. This is a learning update, so it should be fine to toss in. This page is out of date. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, because I guess it still does need to. Let's see, the other one has gone through first. And make sure it doesn't change anything. Doop-a-doop-a-doo. Okay. Drusilla. Oh, cool. Inspired by a sprite. March 18th. Since publication. Okay, looks good. It looks good. Oh, nice. I like the vibes of it. Very cool. Nice. Flower. Okay, so this is still going through, so right out. Ooh, cool. Look at me. Star. Okay. That's good. Bevy. Let's go and resolve everything here. Okay, so what section? Under tooling. So we just have Tiger there so far. Image looks good. Okay. Looks good, looks good, looks good. Yeah. I don't really want to move these all to the bottom. I don't think that's super needed. I guess like if it's lists, then it makes sense to have it like this, but if it's inline in text, it's a bit harder to read the markdown. Great, thanks. Train. Steam locomotive, there we go. Okay, Drusilla, still CI checking. Ooh, we got cool. So it's too large. Unfortunately, I'm not able to zoom in. And it is a PNG. So our favorite program, PNG to JPG. I should just leave it open, that'd be smarter. Resize JPG. Part 2. Wait, why is this so? Oh. Okay, so it's already a reasonable size. It's just that there's so much noise in the image that it makes it quite large. Okay, this is fine. So we can shoot. Okay, so let's go boop-a-doop-a-doo and JPG. Reside. Okay, so publish an article that explores basics of WGPU by optimizing a program that replays such place. By the end, CPU usage is around 10 or 18 to 55%, while applying an average of 15 million picometers per second. Sheesh. Okay, discussions. Okay. Article. Yeah, okay, I guess we gotta. This the bottom. Alright, we're almost at an hour and a half, so I think I'll wrap up the ones that I have here, and I'll just close everything else off past here for now. I'll take care of that later. And then just do a wrap up, because I don't want to, John can do 8-hour streams, and that is very cool, but I need to chill for a bit. And so I think what I want to try and do is figure out what works in just streaming more to the Rust Game Development working group channels, because I feel like it's a pretty good way to have other people come in and talk about cool stuff, is just do stuff more often, so that it's not weird when I do a new thing, and so maybe I'll probably so this will be up on YouTube. I might make a playlist out of it, of I don't know, just working group tasks or something. I should probably rename this video so that it's specific to which one it is. And then maybe when I keep working on this newsletter, I'll keep streaming it. What I hope for as an outcome of this is that more people are oh, okay, I kind of see how this kind of thing works, and then I want to get more people going in. Just if you have time, if you want to make a pull request, then you're just oh, there's this one is free, nobody's talked about it. Wait a second, no, I think because no, this hasn't been updated, so I do need to go through and update all the stuff I can do. But yeah, essentially wherever it says free, there's content here that people could take, and so you just kind of go, you take a look, you read a small section, you link some stuff. And if you do one, that's awesome. If you do a lot, that's awesome. But just having more people in on the process is going to help out a lot with making the newsletter sustainable, because the situation right now is that it's mostly I'll just create for myself that will put in time and work, and then whenever we have months that we're both pretty busy, then that's when we've over recent months we've seen stuff coming out closer to the end of a month rather than closer to the beginning, so it is a bit difficult there. Anyways, let's I digress. Let's finish up these sections right here. This. Gosh, I'm hungry. Food time after this. Very good. Web article. Do you know how to use underscores? I forget. Okay. Looks good. This needs to be removed. you. Alright, the JPEG version of yeah, amazing. Looks great. Okay, so text of cool. So Rhea maybe not need it. Alright, base. Okay, so open this in a new window for now so I can see who is working on stuff. So progress by a person. Well, rerun. Okay, so that's good. Online. Oh, okay. No, I did change a lot of them to okay, and I check marked. Okay, so that's fine. 8-bit tools. Well, what I should do is just go through all the dones first and then go back. Who did we merge? Let's turn off line wrapping for now. So if it's a one line, a bit easier to see. Okay, done by this person. We did depth pre-pass and 0.10. This is done. Digital extinction. Oh, wait, we had two versions of it. I'm just going to use the one down here. Yes. Not in here, but that's fine. looks good. So let's get that. And then bevy. Lol, all over the place. Okay. Bevy engine. Finish that off. Hotline. B. So that's going to go through. So we're doing game Cybergate. Cybergate. Tools. The grim editors. Yes, I think that's what I want. Okay, so that looks like all of them for now. So let us go back to the issue and we go through and add all of the work in progress updates. The Rust GPU. That's cool. Rust GPU SDN. Done by. Did I not merge one of these? Are both of them slow? And so these. Okay. This one. Okay. So both of them are. Whatever I look at. These over these. Right. Done by Mason RAM. What did I do to... I don't know the command that does. I know in VS Code, but not here. Really. Okay. Oh, nuts! I forgot. Okay, I need to do that. Okay, Robot. Where's that? I'll work on that later. Matchbox. Card. Article's good. Got Bevy already. Okay, Bevy Jam 3 we're taking out. Okay. Okay, so I think that is good. So now go back over here, update the issue. Okay, so now it's a bit more accurate on what is done. It shows that there's quite a lot more to go. I notice that there's a section that does not have free. Was it Gamedev, wasn't it? No. So that is the issue updated. And I think with that, did I get the results yet? That definitely needs to be rewrapped. What way CI is going to pass that? So I should be able to just. I'm just going to preemptively go look at what Markdown says. Was this a learning update? Rewrapping. Why is CI not running? There we go. Okay, so we have quite a few sections still free for people to write about, and so I might try and do some of those later. I also had someone mentioning that they were interested in looking into some or helping out with some of this stuff, and so I'm going to respond to them. But yeah, I think we can. We'll call it here for now, and then hopefully I get the blog or the newsletter out soon. We'll see. Next few days, hopefully, we'll see. Okay, so yeah, thank you for sticking around, and we'll see what I can do a stream about next time in terms of just general organization and stuff like that. So that is all for now, and we'll catch y'all later.